Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. All right, so I want to shout out to this guy. I don't know his name. I'll put his name below, who inspired me to get on here because I felt like I could do a little better job of sharing what Neville Goddard is trying to say in Feeling is a Secret. Okay, so I'm going to quote something that Neville Goddard says, that the idea that guy wanted to share was, okay, it's very important because why is it important? Because we liberate you. We take you out of the fucking darkness. If you're wanting to manifest money, love, success in school or business, whatever it is, we're going to take you out of there. Okay. I know how to manifest because when I was in prison, I could only think about what I wanted, and that was to go to college and be back with my family. Okay. College because it was a good thing. And so I had 2 years to impress my subconscious mind so that when I get out, I just took the action subconsciously. And I didn't have no doubt because that's all I thought about. So the thing about when we're out here, or when you're not encapsulated somewhere and focus on your thoughts, is that you get all kinds of ideas here, and you could never really impress your subconscious mind. Okay. So it's always important to repeat over and over that goal that you want. That one goal, you know. I mean, you can have a couple more, but you should be one that's very, where you are very obsessed and focused on, so your subconscious mind gets that shit done. Okay, and here's the quote: "The subconscious does not originate ideas, but accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true, and in a way known only to itself, objectifies the accepted ideas." I'm going to repeat it again. The subconscious does not originate ideas, but it accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true, and in a way known only to itself, objectifies the accepted ideas. So that's the secret to fucking the feeling, okay? Your conscious mind must feel your idea to be true. What does this mean? I'm going to show you the experience and then how the subconscious mind manifested in the physical. I want to share this story. So for 2 years, I visualized myself being in college and succeeding and doing good. Because my thoughts weren't like, oh, I'm going to go to college and I'm going to try. I'm going to go to college and I'm going to fucking succeed no matter fucking what. But because I had the time to visualize and use my imagination and fly away. Literally, I was flying away in my imagination from the cell to the college campus. I was feeling it to be true. As I fell asleep, I saw myself in the college on the college campus. I would see the blue sky. I will see the buildings. I will feel myself walking. I could feel the straps of the fucking backpack. And I'm like, yes. And I felt happy and I felt successful. Okay? Because I'm not going to stay feeling like shit. I'm in a cell. I'm locked up. I'm not going to feel like shit. I'm going to use my imagination to feel fucking good. So I had that in my subconscious mind. And now this is how the subconscious mind is going to make you succeed. I saw at UCLA, I saw one of my teachers who I had, or professor who I had in the summer in the TSP program, transfer student program. And I just got up, walked up to her, gave her a hug, boom. And then we had a conversation, short conversation, maybe less than 2 minutes. Professors study something specifically, and she studies slavery in the U.S. in the colonial period, around the 1600s to about 1800s. So she asked me, Miguel, what are you focusing on? And me, I was all like, I wasn't focusing on anything. I just knew I like history. But in my conversations with the political activists, we were immigrant rights activists, we were people of color. So a lot of what we're talking about in 2013 was incarceration and slavery, and how companies and prison systems are using labor for like 33 cents an hour when they have an inmate in a job, right? So I told her, I'm trying to connect slavery to the way that prisoners are being paid 33 cents an hour as a form of modern day slavery. So I want to connect that. And she said, do it with me. And when she said do it with me, well, what I understand was that you need to get letters of recommendation, and then a professor mentors you. Literally, you look for a mentor. They say find a mentor. So that happened to me just smoothly. I just smoothly went up towards my success and got my letters of recommendation from her. Fast forward, got letters of recommendation. I graduated with honors, got a master's degree because of her recommendations, letters of recommendation, and graduated. And I gotta thank God as well. Thank you, God. Thank you, for the abundance, for the scholarships that brought in money. So I didn't think I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna move towards her, I'm gonna give her a hug, and then she's gonna write letters of recommendation, and in 2 years, no, it was just like in the moment, just automatically. That's a subconscious mind. In prison, I had a conscious mind thinking of the wish fulfilled, all right? Thinking and feeling it as true right before I went to sleep, as I was walking on the campus and feeling successful. And so 2, 3 years, 5 years later, when I was in my college career, I made those actions subconsciously. Now looking back, all those little actions, subconscious actions that weren't conscious, helped me to manifest that which I was thinking to be true. Thinking and feeling to be true. That's the secret. You must feel it to be true. So as you fall asleep and you do this over and over and over and over and over again, you're sleeping in that fucking bed. You're sleeping in that bed you're fucking making, meaning you're sleeping as you fall asleep in that place where you want to be. So let's go over some examples. Let's say let's say it's money. So you see yourself in a mansion and with cars. You already have it. You already know you're successful. It's done. Okay? From your first person point of view, you're seeing yourself in the cars, in the mansion, in the waitresses, or what do they call maids, servants, whatever. Let's do marriage. Let's say you're married. So what would you do if you're married already? You would be walking maybe to the movies or having dinner, a nice Italian dinner with your husband, and you see your husband, see the way you want to see him. Maybe, I don't know, since I haven't manifested a husband or wife, but see somebody there, maybe some physical attributes, you want them to be tall or whatever. I know you don't put a face on it because you just don't know, you just don't know the face, so you don't really put a face. And you have your wedding ring, and that person's in front of you. You can see the body silhouette, Erin Worley, she talks about she did this. She saw a silhouette, like a blob. She said she would see a blob. But the thing is that you know what you're manifesting. So see the person there, see yourself with the wedding ring. That's the perfect thing you'll be doing with marriage or with a relationship, You want 3 girlfriends. You wake up from bed, you have your 3 girlfriends in your bed. Okay. See them. Hey, Papa. You want a pet. See the pet on your bed, and you're petting it and you're hugging it. It's in your bed and it's in your apartment, it's in your home, so it's yours. Or see some bowls, and then actually buy the things to prepare their coming. You know, if you want a pet, buy the things that you'll have for the pet. You want a girlfriend, set space for the girl or the guy in your apartment where he or she could put their things in. Stuff like that. You could start. That's more advanced manifesting. But what's more important is feeling it to be true. Because I had to visualize. I'm not gonna just stare at a wall. As I did my Our Father and give thanks for the day. So give thanks to God, I would fall asleep, experiencing that which I desired. So do that tonight as you fall asleep. And keep doing it over and over and over and over again. And soon, you will start taking the actions. The hunches will come. Like, I want to go to college, all right? Fucking sign up. Walk to the fucking college and start paying for classes. Fortunately, I got my sister to sign me up. But I had to go to the college campus to pay. So I had to go over there on the bus or if I got a ride. And I had to do the things you got to do. It's like, duh. But you'll be doing it with confidence. That's the difference between success and those who are not successful. You do it with confidence. And you do it with confidence because deep down in every cell of your being, you've already done it. It's already done. All right, hope you like this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is helping you, share it with somebody, okay? And until next time, peace. And I love you.